Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is Zagam Abbas and in this video tutorial we will learn about SeaGuage sensor interface unit. The SeaGuage sensor interface unit is a splash resistant that allows up to 3 engines and the vessels that perform data to be viewed simultaneously on a single display screen. Each sensor interface unit can handle up to 28 different input units, and 12 indicator inputs. All inputs can be minimum or maximum alarm with visual and audible alerts. There are different interfaces for this SeaGuage. The sensor interface units provide digital instrumentation for a variety of performance parameters such as tachometer, EGT, and boost. Built-in USB and serial interfaces transmit digital sensor data to instrumentation display panels or remote PC laptops for real-time display. Optical network interfaces allow gauge data to be sent out over network data links and even directly to the internet. The SeaGuage remote sensor interface unit is a standalone engine monitoring solution. Easily connect to a PC to data log and perform engine diagnostic for all analog sensor inputs with optimal inputs. That's all for this tutorial and thanks for watching.